Hey everybody. Alright, for my first part of this project that I'm documenting properly, I'm going to be cutting and staining my table. My table is going to be stored underneath my bed when not in use, and it will actually be on a set of 500-pound drawer slides that you can pull out from underneath the table, and you'll be able to sit at either the two-person seat or the one-person seat and use it. I've been putting this part of the project off for a while. I don't know, I've just found it to be kind of intimidating. But anyway, before I get into that, I've got to clean this shop up because, well, to be frank, it's filthy and it's a mess, and I'm a little embarrassed that you guys are going to see it in this condition to begin with. So, here we go. Okay, this was too big of a piece for me to control properly on my table saw. So what I've done is I've set up my sawhorses and I've set up my crosscut sled for the circular saw, and that's what I'm going to use to cut this. The table is all cut and stained. You'll notice I didn't stain the front because that's going to be covered up by a drawer face, basically, and I didn't stain the back because you won't see it. Same thing with the underside, you won't see it. So I stain the top and I stain the sides. You probably won't see the sides, but just in case, I went ahead and stained them. Unfortunately, that's as far as I can take this project today because I have to go get my kids. So we will pick you up at the gate. It's an absolutely gorgeous day out, so while this dries, I'm going to head down to the park and get a quick workout in. All right, check this out. I'm going to call that a table. And it will fit 3 cozily.